GAE plus NDB plus Blobstore plus Google High Performance Image Serving. I'm making an app to upload text and images. I've read a lot about Blobstore and Google High Performance Image Serving, and finally I got a way to implement it all together. What I want to know is if all is well done or can be do in a better way, and also if it is better to save the serving underscore URL in the model or must be calculated every time I want to print the images in the page. There is a user and a picture only. This is the code, summarized. Forget about my custom.page handler, that only have functions to render the pages easily, and the stuff for check forms values, etc. Basically, I list all the pics, showing the image in a Ginger 2 template with this line. So in the list class I calculate each serving URL and add it temporarily to the model. I don't know exactly if it will be good to save it directly in the model, because I don't know if the URL can change with the time. Will be the URL permanent for the image? In that case I can save it instead of calculate, true. The send class only shows a form to upload the image and saves the data to the model. I always generate a new form underscore action link in the case of re-render the page, because docs talk about it. Is it right? The code is working, but I want to know which is the better way to do it, in terms of performance and resource saving.
You're right. You do want to save the get underscore serving underscore URL, instead of calling it repeatedly. It stays the same. Note that there's a delete underscore serving underscore URL, when you're done with the URL, like when you delete the blob.
I videoen plasserer nå et lesekansidersubskripting.